Hey guys, Tim here. Today we're going to do a unboxing of this 1000-watt platinum power supply from Fractal Design. It is the Newton. And it is huge. Stay tuned. Okay guys, we're here with the, like I said before, the Fractal Newton. And any power supply that comes with its own handle to carry it with, you know, means business. So let's get a look at the back here. And on the back, it is a 1000 watt power supply. I think we're pretty clear on that already. 80 plus platinum with an efficiency curve that almost always stays above 90%. 80 plus platinum, it actually beats the 80 plus platinum curve by just a little bit. It almost stays 90% all the way up to the end there. So the coolest thing about this, guys, in my opinion, there's a couple of really nice things. A 5-year warranty, which we're starting to see more and more. It also has a semi-passive fan, which means up to 20% load, there is no fan running on this power supply at all. When you hit about 20, it's a little bit before 20%, but about 20%, you'll ramp up to about 800 RPMs. And from there, you go up gradually up to about 1400. So, if this power supply stays under 50%, it's going to be pretty quiet. And to be honest with you, most of the time, you're probably going to stay under 50% unless you're in a game or, you have 2 or 3 GPUs and they're hammering. It also has an extra long ATX 12 volt cable. That's really nice to see because in taller cases where this is most likely going to be, you're going to have a long ways between the power supply and your 8-pin connector on your motherboard. It is a ball bearing fan and it is premium Japanese capacitors. That's about it. Let's go ahead and get this baby open. So, you got a big power supply. When it comes with its own sleeve. So in the box, we have a Fractal Design manual glued in place. We also have a nice plastic cover that says, "For your convenience." We have enclosed some zip ties and some Velcro. Nice closed cell foam with partitions to help keep everything in place. We have a nice big packet of Do Not Eat Me gel. A very hefty, decent length power connector. It's heavy. The power supply itself. And then the Molex adapters. So this is where we're going to start here. A nice little carrying case, which keeps all your cables organized. Extra 8-pin, in case you need it. It has 2x PCIe, 3 SATA 950 millimeters, 3 SATA 800 millimeters, 3 SATA 800 millimeters. 3 SATA 650 millimeters. So that's nice to see. It gives you some flexibility. 2 Molex with one of them having a floppy on that as well. And cable tie and screw kit. Your Newton series power supply is a semi-passive design. The fan only spins when additional cooling is required. A non-rotating fan is normally not a cause for concern. Fan not spinning? Is the unit broken? It's got your nice white Fractal Design. I think it's a 135 millimeter fan in there. Has your power voltage regulation doohickey. Please never put this, facing out. On the back, you can see lots of ventilation. You have the nice Fractal Design logo, which is still one of my favorite. The font is good, and then you have the awesome looking Fractal Design snowflake. So it's really cool. The manufacturing quality feels really solid. This is probably the heaviest power supply I've ever personally seen. We have your 20+4, which is built in. So this is not a fully modular power supply, guys. Your 20+4, and this is my one gripe with this power supply. I love everything about it except this. You build this nice of a power supply, and then you put sleeving on it that you can see through, and you don't sleeve it all the way to the end. So the rest of these, it really looks like in manufacturing they use the same size sleeving for every single one, and when there's only 8 cables going through it, it's not stretched out so much that you can see the cables inside. And they do get these, pretty darn close to the end, at which point, I would just take a black marker and color those in so that you can't really see them. They're going to be right up in, like your 8 pin's going to be up in your board, and, you're never going to see that kind of stuff. It's kind of the same thing. They have these nice little double connectors so that you can do one video card off of one cable. Then this is that extra long 8 pin. So really like to see this, because that'll reach on, most cases. Include 2 of these, the 8+8. So that'll make my wiring job a lot easier. But other than that, like I said, really nitpicking. Really like this power supply. It's going to actually go in my personal build. And I chose a Fractal case, and I'm OCD enough that I really wanted a Fractal power supply. It has a 5-year warranty. It is platinum. Fractal really does go the extra step in making sure that their production quality is good. So you guys will see it in my build coming up soon. Other than that, all I got to say is, this is Tim for Timmy Tech TV. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.